In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore Shopify Store. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring a previous theme back to your storefront and make it live again, safely and confidently. First, make sure you're signed into your Shopify admin. Once you're in, head to the left-hand menu and open Online Store. This is the central place where your website's design lives, including your live theme and any themes you've worked on before. Think of it as your design control room. On the online store page, you'll see your current theme at the top, and below that, your theme library. The theme library is where Shopify keeps your previous themes, as well as any themes you've uploaded or tried in the past. This is exactly where you'll find the version you want to restore. Locate the previous theme you want to bring back. Take a moment to confirm it's the correct one by checking its name or any notes you may have added when you used it before. When you've found it, click the theme to open its options, then click Publish. Shopify will let you know that publishing this theme will replace your current live theme. That's expected. Confirm the action, and the previous theme will immediately become your live theme. A quick note about what this change affects. Publishing a theme switches the design, layout, and settings tied to that theme. It does not delete your products, pages, orders, or customers. Those stay exactly the same. Your previous live theme will move into the theme library, so if you ever change your mind, you can come back and publish it again using the same process. It's a good idea to glance at your storefront after publishing to make sure everything appears the way you expect. If your brand colors, fonts, or homepage sections look different, that's normal. Those settings are theme-specific. You can adjust them in the theme editor once the restored theme is live without affecting your store's data. To recap the flow you just followed, open Shopify, go to Online Store, find your previous theme in the theme library, click it, and publish. That's all it takes to restore your Shopify store's design to a previous version. With this approach, you're switching themes cleanly and safely. Safely, and you always have the option to switch back using the same steps.